Guess what's one of the most common yet destructive mindsets that plagues business networkers today? It can make your networking efforts very ineffective. It can make the time that you spend at networking events fruitless. Do you know what it is? I'm going to tell you, and more importantly, I'm going to tell you how to fix it. So let's hop right in. Hey, I'm Rodger, RodgerandMelissa.com. Did you guess what it was? That underlying negative, destructive mindset is this. When you go into a networking event, you're thinking somewhere inside, what can I get out of this interaction? Now, before you brush it off and say, I don't do that, it's time for some serious self-awareness. If you do it just a little bit, or maybe you already know you do it a lot, we need to understand why it's so counterproductive. It's because networking is about people, and people typically don't respond well to others' selfish intentions. If you think about the stereotypical bad salesperson, why does that have such a bad connotation? It's because they're seen as self-serving. Understand this, people can see through to selfish intentions, even if you think you're hiding it. If you have selfish intentions, it will show through. So here's what you do. When networking, strive to give first. Give of your focus. Give your attention. Let the conversation be about the other person. Draw out from them what their business is about. Ask how they bring value to their customers. Ask maybe what they need in their business, what they're struggling with, what they need from this networking event. Show a genuine interest in them. And when it does come back around to you, and it will, you'll be surprised at how well they receive what you have to say and how well that relationship building is going to go. So I know that was quick, but it's very important. Remember, build a strong network, cultivate solid relationships, and those sales are going to come from places that you never even saw coming. So I hope this brought you some value. If it did, we'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss any of the great videos we put out. Until next time.